Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Ilham and welcome to Ambar Ilham channel. Today I want to show you how to sort the line easily, but that line cannot be short, just sort it, but we need to do some function to sort them. I have this line and then I sort this at once. I use the sort function from A to Z, continue with the current selection and sort column B to Z, and then this is the result. If you see here, this is line 1, this is line 12, and it comes back to line 2. What I want to have here is we have line 1 here, and line 2 here, and then next is line 12, and then line 14. So, how to sort them? We have to separate this into the three parts of sort. That is from the line 1, line 2, and more. And it's for the A, the row A, B, A and B here, and then the last is the last A1, A2, B1, B2, and more. I want to sort from the most right extension here, 1, 2, until we have here until 11. So first we do this function if mid, and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We count the 7 here as the empty, and we will start from the character only 1 here. If this is not empty, I want to take this 1 and 2 here. So we take 2 characters here from the line 6 until line 7. So if mid is B3 and then 7 and 1 as a blank, I want to take it from the line, then take mid this one from line 6 and then only take once. If not, I want to take 2 digit line here, B3, 6 and 2, and this is the sort number 1. And the next is sort number 2. I want to sort the A and B here. If mid here, comma, and then 5, 6, 7, comma, and 1 equals blank, like this one, blank, comma, and then use the function mid. Start from 7 and 8, 8 and 1 digit. If not, I want to start from here, and then take from the digit number 9, sequence 9, and then take once. And then this is for the A and B sort selection. And then for the next is if mid this function on the 7 start number, and then 1 equals to blank, and I want to take from the mid 7, 8, 9. This one from 9, and only I will take 2 digits here. If not, I want to start from mid and then B3 here. Start from 10, and I want to take 2 digits here. And this is the result. After you finish, you copy this sort functions and then paste it on the next column, paste as values, and then convert this all into number. And this is the result. And then the next step is you sort by F, G, and H. Here's the final. Okay, we have the sequence here from line 1, A1, line I2, line 1, B1, line 1, B2, line 2, A1, line 2, A3, and then this after line 2 is line 12, A7, and then the last is line 14, B3. That's all for today. If you have any questions regarding to Excel, Word, or Google Sheet, please write down on the comment below. Inshallah, I will answer it on the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.